Hi, this is Shiv Prasad. Business analytics in the banking UK banking sector is the analysis is a future recommendation. And the student ID is 156183668. Student name is Shiv Prasad Batlamudi and course code is 7045 SSL and module name is Business Analytics and Intelligence. And it is a banking to sector and introduction to the introduction, the banking sector, key sector economy, and there is a retail investors and challenges to the banks in the UK banking sector. There is a three applications of business analytics in the banking and streamlining process and identifying fraud and improving the customer experience. AA forms the basics of decision making in the banking statistics in UK banking sector. Some findings and recommendations for further industrial growth are presented in the presentation and background on the UK banking sector to the include retail banking and investment banking and challenging banks and also literature review on business analytics. It is a definition and importance of the business analytics and also key takeaways regarding customer lifetime value and macroeconomic variable and credit risks and also competitive advantages through the analytics. And it is a business analytics forecast improve based on banking in sectors in the insight extracted in cost average theory and theory. And is a literature review for business analytics and definition. And is the first one is business analytics is concerned to the implementation techniques and based on data for improved decision making and also efficient process and improved performance and key takeaway regarding is it is a whole explain to the customer lifetime value and also macroeconomic variable is a determine that the inflation and interest rates and play significant impact on credit risk on banking and also competitive advantage through analytics the use of data analysis for risk analysis and fraud identification and also customer segmentation and also targeted financial products and also services to the services and also on data collection sources of the sources and the database includes in financial data for the 10 UK banking and period is 24 2000 2014 and 2023. It is a key variables in this based on studies on revenue assets and liabilities and equities and reserves and funds and have also obtained for the fame Sysista and IBS World and also Yahoo Finance and also banking analyze and it includes in HSBC and also 10 banking HSBC, Virgin Money and Metro Bank and TSP banks and RBS and also Barclays and Lloyds Bank of England and also Bank of England and also Nationwide and Standard sir, in UK and also data utilization tables in chart. In the process, the table contains financial metrics like revenue, assets and liabilities and equity, some notable findings and variables and scaliness and trends in distribution. It is also dashboard and graph are used to represent and financial variability and relative performance in the banking. And also assets and liabilities are highly varied or it is observed in different sizes of banking. And also they will be depicted in graph and will reflect trends in revenue and assets and liabilities in over time. And dashboard is a Excel will represent financial insights and supporting also analysis of the bank performance. It is a key role of the data visualization tables and charts. And summary statistics to the performance, the average revenue for each bank is 13,082 million dollars, and there is a derivation of the high value is a 17,570 million pounds in the financial performance. It is also asset and liabilities are also greatly valued and reflection and variables in sizes and also risk by banking. And also the average revenue is on variability and performance and right skinniest revenue some performance better than other and also confidence intervals and standards derivation to the measured in financial students foundation and also risk. And also, and next one is correlation analysis. It is a correlation analysis is a matrix levels independent variables and dependent variables between the key banking variables in for provide the information. And also, revenue is highly related to the total equity. And also, revenue is highly related to the total asset 0.90 and equity is 0.93. It reflects financial solidity assets and liabilities is 0.9 are also highly independent and greater the assets improve for probability in term increase liability and risk rising revenue. And also revenue and total assets and total liability and total equity and also cash and cash equivalent. It is a cash and cash equivalent is a mode correlation with other variables in suggest liquidity to impact by assets but in the nonlinear matrix and also total assets is a general link to higher probability in terms of increased lending ability is a correlation analysis and also regression analysis regression analysis is the effect of revenue and probability. The liability independent variable is a revenue and a dependent variable is a total liability. And is regression is a two process is there and single regression and simple regression and also multi regression, and is a simple regression and is a regression analysis to the effect of revenue probability total equity. The independent variable is a revenue and r square is 0.99.56 and index to the highly accurate computation. And also and regression analysis exhibit a close relation between the total equity and revenue are linked to financial solidity since the R square values are equal to 0.99956 and 0.8662 and justify the revenue as a key contribution towards the profitability in banks. And also next one is business analytics in the UK banking and the predictive analysis used in the market forecasting in banking and credit scoring automation to the increase through A and fraud decision to the software checks in transmission to the pattern recognizes. And also predictive analysis for the forecasting involves to banking in the past information forecast market trend. It is a business analytics in the UK banking and impact to the in behavior and financial risk to the improve strategy decision making system and also investment planning. And also next one is artificial intelligence and machine learning to the banking. Is a banking is a machine learning AI based software source to the a database to improve customer experience and also enable automated credit scoring and also improve loan approval process. And detection of fraud and risk management is advanced analytics to detect the unusual payment behavior and also prevent fraud and lower cyber risk and enhance banking operators is a component to the detecting and fraud risk management for the business analytics. And is a last one enhancing operability. The information obtained allow to the bank relationship the reliance and process and reduce expenses and it to increase and efficiency in financials and customer service process also is a link pro IBRIM etc is 2024 to the and next slide is challenges in the business analytics for bank. Banks are conformed with the cyber threats and strict in compliance regulations and limitations to the merging advanced analysis and model techniques to the legacy system and high deployment expenses, lack of capability and addition handness and implementation advanced to the business analytics solutions. To the issue and is a data challenges is a big analytics for the banks and data privacy security and also it is a banks handle customer information and unscrapability and cyber attacks is hacks and regularly complements the bank is obtained to the open about financial information report and also keep current to the emerging legislation and issue in technical technology integration to the legacy banking system are not able to incorporate the modern tools analysis and also results in the infant data processing. And also last one is capability and cost issues. It is a challenging is the last one in business analytics for the banks. The deployment of advanced analytics solution, it is a involved major utility and creating in the financials operations. It is a bank in AGSA 2023. And next slide, the future of business analytics in the banking. It is a based on the different things of A is does for the fraud identification or risk analysis are enhanced and is also blockchain boosts in security transparency and big data help with the trend forecasting. All processes are automated, which makes the cost lower and also facilitate better decision making in banking analysis. It is a robotic process. Automation is a in future businesses and process of the AI and machine learning and blockchain for security and advanced big data and predictive analysis. And also last one is robotic process automation. It is the last in first in AI machine learning is a AI fraud identification and risk analysis and also financial products and services the individualization. It is the AI and machine learning is one is individual financial products is a individualized and through the calculate the and financial analysis. It is a blockchain for the determined for the fraud and security analysis and advances the big data to the predictive and allow banks to the forecast and marketing and robotic process automation is utilized the automation and is the process will be streamlined and made cheaper will increase effectiveness and decision making. And also our next place conclusion to the business analytics optimize banking efficiency and decision making. It is a proven, validated, and revenue profitable relationship to the security on complement. Some of the main concerns, the future use of AI and blockchain and automated will improve forecasting or operating efficiency. It is a problem, it is a contribution to the conclusion in business analytics and is a key business role in decision making and managing risk, enhancing banking efficiency. And also, and second one is analysis to data to the probability and revenue assets is a calculation to the proof test improve the Excel sheet by the Excel sheet given Excel sheet and the create the table and the assets and revenue how much value is case and problem phase analytics is adapt to and banks is come problem within the privacy threats and also technology issues some the problem phase in the banking system. AI and blockchain and big data to the automation to the direction help to the strengthening and security efficiency productivity to the AI is a main concept of the business in the present situation for the future generations is the development of the AI and is also references in the mention in attached the and slide and Bolivar F. Duran and Emily Lojano Vivas are is a banking business model size and profitability and also thanking you for